how to play game in Facebook. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook application on your device. After opening up, you'll be able to see the home page of Facebook if you have logged in into your account. So according to the new feature of Facebook, you can play various games according to your choice on Facebook. So let's see how can we play games on Facebook in this video. Sometime a game option will be available in the taskbar of the upper section, which you are seeing now in the screen. But if it's not available over there, then you can get it by clicking on the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner, and you have to scroll to the button and you'll be able to see the gaming option over here. So you have to simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you'll be able to see the various games from over here. You can pick any of those and you can play with your friends. For example, let's go for Ludo Club. It will take a few seconds to load. After loading, you can also add this game to your home screen. By doing that, it will be easy for you to open up the game and play. And after that, you'll be opened up to the home page of Ludo Club, where you can play with the person from worldwide, or you can also play with your friends. In order to play with your friends, you can go for friends option with yellow color in the right hand side, and you can select the mode whether you want to play classic or rush. And after that, here you can invite your friends with whom you want to play the game, and after inviting, they have to accept the invitation and they will be able to play with you. So by following this simple step, you can play game in Facebook. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.